Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If your truth social is not working, don't worry about it. In this video, I will tell you how to fix this problem. So keep the video till then and follow my step to fix the problem. When you are facing this problem, then completely close the app once and check, and again open your truth social and check the problem. If it persists, then check your internet connection is working properly or not. If no issue found in the internet, then next is long press on the truth social and go to the storage and cache. Now once clear cache and on clear storage, and again log in the truth social and check the problem. If it persists, then next is go to the Play Store and search truth social and check for update. If any update is available, then update it, otherwise follow the next. Next is go to the browser and search here truth social server status and go to the official website of truth social or go to the down detector and check the status of the server. As you can see here, some issue found in the server, so wait until fix the server status on the truth social. I hope this video is useful for you. If you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe to our channel and share with friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.